Yoruba nouns, verbs, and adverbs. It also includes adjectives. I just didn't write that. But if you want to do that, I want to simplify it to nouns and verbs, right? But if you recognize adjectives and adverbs, try and use that too. But now it gets tricky when it comes to adverbs and adjectives because you have to substitute one for the other, and one could be substituted for the other as well. So, for example, use these words in a sentence. For example, Ajá Àjàó fẹ́ràn láti máa rin ìrìn fàájì ní ìrọ̀lẹ́ ní ẹ̀mẹ́ta lọ́sẹ̀. Alright? Ajao's dog likes to go on a stroll with him in the early evening 3 times a week. I just put it simply, but it's more than that, right? Because fàájì will be leisure. Okay. So you can rewrite it, right? You can rewrite that. So the rest I did not put, let me see, yes, I had some translations there, but I didn't have translation in 2 for a reason, because we already did that in Murasishi already. Right? Right. So you will do that on your own. I took time to put accents on them as well, but to sound it out, I could help you on our way out and record it on your phone, right? And then you use that to know how to pronounce the words. And then you also use that to identify which one is, you pick from the English word and use it to correlate the Yoruba word, and use that to find out which one is noun, which one is verb, which one is adverb, right? So this one doesn't concern accent much, right? But to help you, I'll give you the audio so that you'll be able to identify which one are nouns in there. So to identify nouns, verbs, and adverbs in the sentence by writing out on a sheet of paper the words and affix the correct description. Ajá, noun. Àjàó, noun. Fẹ́ràn, verb. Rin, verb. Alright? So, and etc. Identify nouns, verbs, and adjectives in the following statements and submit next class in week 7. Alright? So, it's kind of a simple exercise. We will make you think, and that means you will start to have information about how to write Yoruba yourself. And how to, because the thinking part is what's going to build, they're the building blocks for you to be able to advance faster. Identify nouns. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Everybody ready? Okay, you get it later.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, you record. Okay. Identify nouns, verbs, adjectives in the following statements and submit next class in week 7. Ìjì ńlá náà le, ó gbé ajá náà lọ sí orí òrùlé kan. Ìjì ńlá náà le, ìjì náà le, ó gbé ajá náà lọ sí orí òrùlé kan. If you see any mistakes in there, correct it. Òtútù kìí mú ẹja ní ìsàlẹ̀ odò. Òtútù kìí mú ẹja ní ìsàlẹ̀ odò. Number 3. Kíní kan ló ba Àjàó jẹ́, apá rẹ̀ gùn ju itan lọ. Kíní kan ló ba Àjàó jẹ́, apá rẹ̀ gùn ju itan lọ. Ọ̀sán àti òru wọn kì í jẹ ara wọn níyàn. Ọ̀sán àti òru wọn kì í jẹ ara wọn níyàn. Ọmọdé ìkókó náà ń ké kíkankíkan. Ọmọdé ìkókó náà ń ké kíkankíkan. Ọmọ náà bọ̀wọ̀ fún ìyá àti bàbá rẹ̀ dáradára. Ọmọ náà bọ̀wọ̀ fún ìyá àti bàbá rẹ̀ dáradára. Number 7. Iṣẹ́ ni oògùn ìṣẹ́. Iṣẹ́ ni oògùn ìṣẹ́. Number 8. Apálára ìgúnpá níye kan. Apálára ìgúnpá níye kan. Number 9. Ọkùnrin náà náwó nára ní ọjọ́ ìgbéyàwó rẹ̀. Ọkùnrin náà náwó nára ní ọjọ́ ìgbéyàwó rẹ̀. Number 10. Jẹgúdújẹrá tún ìwà rẹ̀ ṣe. I'll correct that. Jẹgúdújẹrá tún ìwà ara rẹ̀ ṣe. Again. Jẹgúdújẹrá tún ìwà ara rẹ̀ ṣe. That's it. So you should have some fun with that. It's going to be interesting, right? Let's continue. Níbo lò ń lọ? Where are you going? Mo fẹ́ sáré dé ibẹ̀ yẹn. I want to go to that place. Níbo ni ibẹ̀? Where is the place? Ní apá ọ̀tún yẹn ni. It's pointing to the right. It's on the right side there. Ó dára o, àlọ́re, àbọ̀ire o. Okay, I wish you safe journey and safe return. Now, check this. They always end with a prayer, right? Yoruba will always, because they always wish each other well. In the olden days, they don't call Yoruba land Yoruba land. We call ourselves Ilẹ̀ Káàárọ̀ Oòjíire. Wake up. Good. How do you translate that? It's good that you are waking up, right? And did you wake up well? Questions for you waking up. Ilẹ̀ Káàárọ̀ Oòjíire. Right? So let's say this together as an exercise.